Today we are going to the border of Bangladesh. It's lalmonir. It's actually the border in Bangladesh, and we're in the train. And just see, isn't it beautiful? There are so many animals. I love it. And plus there will be extra like goods and stuff, so I can and I am her best friend. She's not my best friend, she is my best friend, but she's my little sister. Say hi. Hi. Her name is Safrain. Yeah. So we are in a train. Yes, we are in the train. Oh damn, we're in the train. So this is part 1. There are gonna be so many parts, maybe 5, 4, I don't know. So there you can see lots of animals. Yes, you can see lots. I just spotted a cat. It was so cute. It was just like this. It's a brown. This was his brown. This was the brownie, and this was the white ear, and the full body is white. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love those cats. And we are looking out the window because it's bored to do nothing, and we actually just good run. If you know Bangladesh, sorry that I used one on this word. And when we are just going to lalmonir. Yes, I just see her. Sorry, she's 7. That's right, she's a little bit dumb. So hey, I am not dumb. Sorry, she's very intelligent. She's very intelligent, right? Yeah. Very intelligent. Oh, if you wanna see like look at the view. Oh, I just saw some ducks. It was so cute. Oh my god. If you're watching this, please subscribe, like, share, and do everything. If you're not, get out of this room. Get out. There is no door. Go. Sorry about these YouTubers and people. Sorry. That was my lips. Her laugh is so cute. And there is a little brother there too in the back seat. I'm not gonna show. That is him. My brother. I'm not gonna show him. When he wakes up, I'm gonna show him. So I think there is my luggage, Elsa, who's when I'm sleeping always stare at my soul. Oh, sorry guys. Which stares at my soul when I sleep. I hate him. Hate her. Oh, they're so cute animals. I want to pet them. My little brother is quite annoying. Yes, annoying. Very annoying, guys. Very annoying. I just saw some baby cows. He's behind us. And he's behind us. YouTubers. Yes. And friends. They're not YouTubers. Some of you are YouTubers. If you have more subscribers than me, please subscribe to me. Hello, Sana. I am your friend. There's no Santa here. Santa. No, hello, Santa. No Santa here. Okay. I am talking to Sana, who says S-A-N-N-A, Sana, and Moody. Sana or Santa. Oh, I'm a little bit dumb. Yes, because you are. Wait. Look how bumpy it is here. It's moving like this. If you can like this, it's moving like this. I love this. I love the jumping chicks.
Hey guys, can you know what I am? Who I am?
You're my little sister.
I am 7 years old.
Yes.
My
And I'm
birthday
9.
is December 1.
They don't need to know. Okay, so you will see me in part 2. Do you? Will you? Will you? Good. You will. Good. Yes. You are questioning why I am wearing gloves. Like, do I look like I ride bikes? No, I don't ride bikes. I ride cars, trains, planes. I once rode a bike and I was scared.
Actually, he likes animals.
I mean, wait a minute. Sorry, guys. What is they doing? There are so many chips. Oh, actually, give me your chocolates. The chocolates you had.
Okay.
She actually has chocolates.
Yeah, I did.
How?
That is chips.
Yes, James.
I have
If you know what,
If you want to subscribe, you have
if
chocolates.
if you subscribe, I will send you this chocolate. Just send down, done. Just send done in the comment section. There, here it is.
Hey, I am not
Jones.
dumb.
No, just comment down done in the comment sections. Okay, so bye guys. I'm gonna see you in part 2.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Bye guys.